All right, so we have come to the end of our chapter, so we're going to do our chapter review. What I'm going to give you guys is actually a different version of the test to practice because you're going to have an identical one tomorrow with different types of problems and different numbers, but this one goes over all the concepts for you. So let's just take a look at some of the things that we've done. All right, so starting here, Jason worked 3 more hours than Keith. Jason worked 12 hours. Which equation represents the situation? All right, so you have your four choices there. You can go back, you can plug in it to make sure that it makes sense for what equation is x equals 1 a solution here. So you would put 1 in for x and all four of those to see which one makes sense. We just have some basic word problems there, different equations uh, with square feet and width. Here we have inequality. So you remember that, right? So the open sign versus the close, what does that mean? And then you check your work. Which number shows x is greater than 7, right? So depending on what it's asking you, you have to check numbers on both sides to see if it's true. Let's go back up above. Do you understand coordinate grids? Would you be able to graph points? Remember the quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4, going clockwise, starting with positives. Dependent versus independent, which one causes the other one? The independent one causes the dependent one to happen. So you use that, taking a look at our tables to create an equation, finding that rule, using an equation, which point does not go in there. And then down below here, we have some short responses. All right, so we have equations with variables, looking for solutions, equations and solutions here. That inequality again, remember starting point and matching the symbol and then doing it in the right direction. We have graphing and labeling here. We have independent and dependent variables there. We have a table, and then we have graphing based off of starting point and slope. All right, so everything we've done here, we've had some really, really good scores on your assignments the last 2 weeks. So I expect a really good chapter unit test tomorrow, whatever you want to call it. So let me know if you have any questions with everything here. No surprises on Thursday. We want you to do well, so it's everything that you see here.